Hello learners, welcome back to English Hub. And today I am here with some of the mispronounced words. And I think that many of you might also be saying these words wrong and embarrassing yourself. So now onwards, try to speak them correctly. Let us see what are these common words and then some uncommon and then something else also I have for you all. Now here are some commonly mispronounced words. First is, if you are pronouncing it as comfortable, try to correct it from today itself. Said as comfortable, comfortable. Repeat after me, comfortable, comfortable. Now here is the next word. If you are pronouncing it as Wednesday, then correct yourself. It is pronounced as Wednesday. Repeat after me, Wednesday, Wednesday. Now here is the next word. It is pronounced as vegetable, vegetable. Now here is the next interesting word. And how do you say it? Even some of my students mess this word. I hope you are not saying it as pronunciation. If it is, then correct yourself. It is pronunciation, pronunciation. Repeat after me, pronunciation. Now here are some uncommon mispronounced word. Now here is the next word. It's a common one, but some of you might still be saying it as February. It's not February, it's February. February. Repeat after me, February. And here is the next one. Clothes. Clothes. Repeat after me, clothes. So stop adding extra sound in this. Don't call it as clothes. It's clothes. Next word we have over here, and it is our favorite thing to eat. It is known as chocolate. Chocolate. Repeat after me. It is chocolate. Chocolate. Now here I have some silent letter words. What are silent letter words? Some letters in the spelling are there, but they are not pronounced while pronouncing that word. So here we have some of these letters in these words. Let's see if you can identify them or not. Now the first one is very common one which we use it generally. Let's see if you can pronounce it correctly and if you can identify which letter in the word is silent. So the first one we have T silent and we pronounce it as often. Often. Repeat after me. Often. Many of time I have heard my student saying this word as Island or sometimes as Iceland. But the correct pronunciation is island. As already I have told you, S is silent. We do not pronounce S. So it is pronounced as island. Island. And in today's last word, we have a silent H. So this is pronounced as honest. Honest. Repeat after me. Honest. So now I hope you won't be struggling with these words while pronouncing them, and you would be able to pronounce them clearly. So for more such tips, remember to follow my channel. And if you liked and if this video was helpful for you, remember to like, share and subscribe